Hi Fredericton, I'm Mike Lint, and this is your real estate market update. 2021 has been a great year and a record-breaking year in real estate in Canada and especially here in New Brunswick. We are currently on pace to beat last year's record home sales by 20%. Housing prices all across Canada are significantly on the rise. According to the Canadian Real Estate Association, New Brunswick has seen an increase of 32%, which now has the average home sales price at $267,000. And yet we are still the most cost-effective place to buy a home. So what does this mean for someone who's looking to buy a home in 2022? There are some people are hoping that the market is going to balance itself out and prices will decrease. Unfortunately, we don't see any of that happening in the near future. If anything, we're expecting prices to potentially rise. For anyone looking to buy a home in 2022 that has questions or concerns about the current market or the market moving forward, please feel free to contact us anytime at therightchoicerealty.ca.